male, is it?
Yeah, the bull elephant is the big male.
5, Tom. 4, Tom.
Yeah.
3.
Still away!
2. Where did that sleep?
No!
Then it's taking me away. It looks like a hawk. It's beautiful, isn't it? No, they're all sprayers.
Really? Yeah.
Yeah, they're marking the toe.
All they do is drink and spray. Quase doing. My God. حديقة الحيوانات زرافة.
I like the seed.
Very relaxed, isn't it? I'm a bit stuck here actually because I can't get out because the car in front's too close and the car in front of that's not moving.
Rhinoceros. Hello.
It's that creature is such a big head.
Yeah. It's a massive horn as well. We've got his tail as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Look, Mum, look up there. He just got like.
Oh, what's that? No, on top of the bus.
Oh,
Yeah.
let's hope he doesn't jump onto. Oh no, don't jump onto us. You don't want to jump onto us.
He might do, he's a biggie.
No.
I hope
Stay
not.
where you are.
No, it's too
I
big.
just wish they'd get moving.
Yeah.
He's picking
Yeah.
his bark.
Yeah.
Did they just jump onto our car when there's gone?
Yeah.
No, they're
Maybe
jumping
that's right. You gonna let me out? Yeah, let's go.
and then see if there's barks.
Because I really don't want to stay still. Oh, the blue one's going now. I don't like this
They're
sitting
just-
still
They're
nonsense.
just chilling there.
Yeah.
I think
Careful
they're
this
too
way, mate.
obsessed with
You might
being
come down
Yeah, yeah.
I think they're too
to the floor.
So I'm just trying to watch the other cars as well.
Too obsessed with
But look, the Land Rover's driving around with one on her bonnet as well.
Roy.
Oh, he's going really fast. Down, slow down.
I think he wants them off.
I think they need to chase. Yeah. Look, there's one there. It's got it on the back.
Yeah. He's trying to escape.
Oh, oh, Struth.
It looks like we're coming to you.
I'm going to go on this side.
You need to move up, yeah.
Yeah.
Otherwise,
Go on,
they
Mr.
do it.
Duke. Don't stop. Don't stop. La. If you stop, they'll get on. Come on.
Oh no, you don't want us, you don't want us. You don't want us.
Good.
You don't want us, you don't want us.
Yep, they're on.
Shit.
He's getting on the back. There we go.
Oh,
Zach,
damn it,
move
Sam.
behind. Look
Yeah.
behind. He's on the boot. He's on the boot.
Is it?
My camera
There's another
doesn't
one
work.
asleep next to it.
Yeah, it's fresh meat. Why would the birds there?
Deep head. A wolf. Yeah. Grey wolf. Oh.
Why are all the birds there?
The meat.
Oh my god, they're all so sleepy. Oh, they're right next to them as well. This is amazing. Oh, Savannah, Babani. Please stop looking at me. Very sleepy.
الأسود. أسود الغابة.
Oh, look at that one
هذه
at the
السبع.
front. The one on the right.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4 there. 5. One of them is interested. They're massive.
The other one was just, oh, he woke up. I mean, she woke up.
Zach, did you see the lion? Take your seatbelt off, Zach.
It's a good image from here.
They're all just frozen. Staring at something.
Staring at us.
Mm.
No, they're just frozen.
Why are they not moving?
Okay. Okay. Ooh,
Yeah, I would wait here
that's a bit close.
in case he wants to cross the.
Oh, oh my
Look, there's a bear crossing the road. Ankerley cattle.
ankle cattle.
And then savannah grasslands of
Cattle.
Africa.
Yeah. Okay. البقري البقر الوحشي. They got massive horns. Oh.
You see him, Zach? Zach, window up.
Antelope.
They have elephants as well, but
Antelope, yeah.
very
Yeah.
dangerous creatures, elephants.
Can you see them? The elephants are over there, Zach. Right over there. Can you see? Yeah, we'll see them when we come back round.
But they can't be. But those are very dangerous things, elephants.
Oh, I think it's when we see the rhino you've got to worry.
No, when I see the elephants, I worry.
Quite big.
So many antelopes.
There's a big rhino over there right by the road.
Oh wow.
Cool.
My gosh.
That's just scary.
There's a fence between.
هما اللي يفانقوا هنا يعوموا تحت الماء. وي. داك الشي زوين. فوالا.
Play that again on YouTube.
يا سلام.
Yeah.
يفانقوا مخلوقات جميلة.
They've missed people.
هذه هي هنا وصلنا نهاية تاع الفيديو. هذه مرة أخرى إن شاء الله والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله.